In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable shopping bag on website Hostinger on website builder. So let's click on a website here, and then here we're going to have to go to edit websites. Now from here, we're going to have to click on the header. When you click on the header, you're going to see here, you're going to see edit headers. So click on edit header, and then here you're going to see shopping bag. Now you can change the size of the shopping bag, as you can see here. And you probably don't even have the shopping bag right over here. So just click on element, and then here you're gonna see show shopping cart. Just if it's disabled for you, which it probably is, just enable. Now you have other buttons here, show language switcher, show buttons, so social icons, so logo. And you also have the layout. From here you can change the layout. We have different types of layouts. It's really up to you. Maybe you want a logo, maybe you don't. Elements, logo, also the logo, and here the style. If you want to add some hover, let's say for the header, you can add some hover. You just need to like change the color here. Now let's click on preview. Shopping bag as well. Shopping bag is empty. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. By the way, you also can rename this icon bar. My products now. Anyways, thanks for watching.